trigonometry part 2. So before we begin with some notes here. So the first point, coordinates of any point on the x-axis is of the form a comma 0, that is y coordinate to any point on the x-axis is 0. Similarly, coordinates of any point on the y-axis is of the form 0 comma a, that is coordinate of any point on the y-axis is 0. That is, we can understand with the diagrammatic representation. This is a x-axis, negative of x-axis, y-axis, negative of y-axis. Point on x-axis means here it is 0 comma 0, this is 1 comma 0, like this. So next we get a 2 comma 0, it is 2 comma 0, like this we are going to get a coordinate. So point on a x-axis means its opposite coordinate, that is why we have to take it as a 0 here. Okay, point on a x-axis is, that is y coordinate, we have to take it as a 0. Similarly, point on a y-axis, so here this point it is 0 comma 0, this is a origin. So further we'll move here, okay, and here x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 1, next 0 comma 2, like that. So here the point on y-axis means its opposite coordinate, that is x is compulsorily 0 and the y coordinate is some element a. So these are 2 points here. Okay, further, the distance between p of x1 y1 and q of x2 y2 is given by the formula distance between pq equal to, it is under the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square it is. Okay, so this is a distance between any point pq is given by this particular expression. Next, the distance of a point x1 y1 from the origin 0 0 is, that is here we'll take x1 y1 as a one coordinate and origin we take this as a x2 y2. If you substitute in this formula, we get 0 minus x1 square, that is x1 square, 0 minus y1 square, that is y1 square here. This is the distance between origin and any point x1 y1 it is. Okay, next this is a section formula, the coordinates of the point which divides the join of p of x1 y1 and q of x2 y2 internally in the ratio L and M is given by this particular expression here. That is, here L and M are a ratio here. Suppose we have like this we have. So here we have some point x1 y1, this is a coordinate, and here it is x2 y2 it is, and here it is somewhere here, so we take it as a x y, like this. We have a 3 coordinate, then here the ratio will take, here it is a L and another one we take it as a M here. Okay, so if it is a internally is given by L x2 plus M y1 divided by L plus M, L y2 plus M y2 divided by L plus M. Similarly, if it is a cuts externally in the ratio L is to M, so we have to take this as a minus over here, like this. Okay, then coordinate of a midpoint here. Midpoint means here we observe L is equal to M here. Then see, after simplifying we get x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Similarly, one more point, coordinate of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2 and c of x3 y3 is given by the formula. See here, there are three terms, x1, x2, x3, they are added, divided by 3. And here it is y1, y2, y3, there are three terms divided by 3. This is called coordinates of the centroids of a triangle. It is okay. Next, coordinates of the in center of the triangle ABC, where a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2 and c of x3 y3 is given by the formula I equal to, it is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by abc, and ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 divided by a plus b plus c, where a, b and c are called as a length of a sides BC, CA and AB. Okay. Then area of a triangle. Suppose that we have one triangle like this. So this is a point A. It has a coordinate x1, y1. This is a point B. It has a coordinate x2, y2. And C is a third point. Its coordinate is x3, y3. Then area of a triangle delta is equal to, it is given by the formula, it is a 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Further, so these are important, many times we are going to use, if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the ends of a hypotenuse of a right angled isosceles triangle, then the third vertex is given by this particular expression here. So here it is in the formula plus or minus, here it is minus or plus, it is like that. We have to solve it and we will get a third coordinate. So first two coordinates are x1 y1 is first coordinate, x2 y2 is the second coordinate, and the third coordinate is given by this particular expression. It is next, if two vertices of an equilateral triangle are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then the third vertex is given by, okay, so this is a first coordinate x1 y1, second coordinate x2 y2, and third coordinate of a equilateral triangle is given by this particular expression. It is a same, here it is 1, it is here it is root 3, right? Like this we have to simplify. Next, the ratio L is to M, in which the points P of xy divides the line joining the points A of x1 y1 and b of x2 y2 is given by the formula, it is L divided by M equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x, and or if it is a y coordinates are given, then it is L by M equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y, it is right. Okay, now we will solve multiple choice questions depending on like previously defined, see examples. So first example, we read out the area of a equilateral formed by 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 3, minus 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma minus 2 is given by. So we'll define first coordinates here, that is x1 y1 equal to, it is a 2 comma minus 1 x2 y2, it is 4 comma 3 x3 y3, it is minus 1 comma 2. Next, x4 y4, it is minus 3 comma minus 2, right? Then area of ABCD, area of a quadrilateral is given by, it is a 1 by 2. See, it is a determinant of x1 minus x3, x2 minus x4 whole divided by y1 minus y3, then y2 minus y4 here. For your understanding purpose, I written x1 x2 like this. See, you can directly substitute and find out the solution for this. X1 minus x3, so 2 minus of minus 1 plus 3, it is 3, 7 minus 3, 5. So we get this. So 1 by 2 as it is. First diagonal element of multiplication, 5 3s are 15 minus 7 3s are 21, minus into minus plus 21. So this is equal to, see, on simplifying we'll get solution as 18. Therefore right option is option C, 18 is a right answer. Next example, if A equal to, like we have a 4 coordinates minus 2 comma 2, 1 comma 0, x comma 0, 1 comma y forms a parallelogram, then xy we have to calculate. Okay, last class we have defined a note, that is, first we'll write all these points. It is a of minus 2 comma 2, then b of, it is 1 comma 0, c is x comma 0, and d is 1 comma y it is. Then we have a one note, d equal to a minus b plus c. Last class I have given this note. The students who are new to this can go through it, previous one. So we'll write d coordinate, it is 1 comma y. Further a coordinate, a minus b plus c. First coordinate will do, that is, we'll get minus 2 minus 1 plus x. So a b c, first coordinate we have taken. Now a b c, y coordinate we have to take it. So it is 2 minus 0 plus 0, like this. Okay, if we simplify we get 1 comma y, and here it is, we get x minus 3 it is, and 2, and we get 1 equal to x minus 3, equating first coordinate with the first one, equating second with second, we get y equal to 2. On simplifying we get x equal to 4 and y equal to 2 here. Therefore option D, 4 comma 2 is a right answer. So option D is a right answer. So we'll move to a next example, example number 17. The question is, the midpoints of BC, CA and AB of a triangle ABC are D equal to 1 comma 2, E equal to 4 comma 3, and F is 6 comma 4, and we have to calculate the A. Okay, so we'll draw a diagram of this. So it is triangle, its vertices we take it as a B, C. Okay, then its midpoints here we can represent like this, midpoints. So it is a AB midpoint is F, AC midpoint is E, and BC midpoint is D it is. Okay, then we'll calculate the point A. So once again we use a note, A equal to F minus D plus E it is. Okay, this is a formula. Then A we need to calculate. So F x coordinate, D x coordinate, E x coordinate we have to take it. So D, E, F already they have given in a question. So it is 6 minus 1 plus 4. Further, F, D, E will take a y coordinates 4 minus 2 plus 3. Okay, if you simplify this, so we get 9 and we get a 5 over here. Okay, therefore right option is, that is a D, 9 comma 5. Okay, like this we have to calculate the coordinates of A. Next example, the extremities of a diagonals of a parallelogram are 3 comma minus 4 minus 6 comma 5. If the third vertex is minus 2 comma 1, then the fourth vertex is, we need to calculate. So first we'll draw a diagram. So 50% of a solution is, we'll complete it. So this is a point A, this is a B, C and D. A coordinates are minus 2 comma 1, B is 3 comma minus 4, C x comma y, D minus 6 comma 5, and B and D will join this. Okay, then we use a concept of a midpoint. Okay, so midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC, right? So midpoint of a B and D, yes, that is, it is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, that we get it as minus 3 by 2, and similarly y1 plus y2 divided by 2, 5 minus 4 divided by 2, so we get 1 divided by 2, like this. Similarly, midpoint of AC, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, similarly y1 plus y2 divided by 2, so we get this as x minus 2 divided by 2 and y plus 1 divided by 2. Then further, x coordinate we will equate with the x coordinate, so we get this as minus 3 by 2 equal to x minus 2 divided by 2. Y coordinate is equated with the y, so 1 by 2 equal to y plus 1 divided by 2. On simplifying, we get the solution for x is minus 1 and y we get it as a 0. Therefore right option is minus 1 comma 0. Therefore option B is a right answer. Then example number 19. Midpoints of the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are minus 3 comma minus 5 and 3 comma 3 respectively. Then the length of a BC is, so here it is a given that the coordinate F, it is minus 3 minus 5, and coordinate E, it is 3 comma 3, and clearly we observe that length of a BC is 2 times it is a EF. Okay, because E is a midpoint of a BC. So now we'll keep 2 as it is, and using a distance formula we find a distance between E and F. E coordinate and F coordinate, it is mentioned, so we get 3 plus 3 whole square plus 3 plus 5, it is whole square. Further, it is a 2 into simplification, we get a 10. So 2 into 10, it is a 20. Therefore option C, 20, is a right answer. Okay, we will move to our next example. Example number 20. A equal to 3 comma 5, B equal to minus 5 comma minus 4, C equal to 7 comma 10 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD. Then D is equal to. Okay. So fourth coordinate we need to find. D equal to, it is A minus B plus C. Then D equal to, it is a first all x coordinates 3 plus 5 plus 7. Next y coordinates 5 plus 4 plus 10 it is. Okay, on simplifying we get 15 comma 19. That is option A, 15 comma 19 is a right answer. Okay, we move to our next example. The base vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle are 7 comma 9 and 3 comma minus 7. Then the third vertex is, okay, third vertex we have to calculate. So this is given by the formula, that is x1 y1. First coordinate, it is 7 comma 9, and the next x2 y2, it is 3 comma minus 7, and the third coordinate is given by the formula, that is x1 plus x2 plus or minus y1 plus y1, it is a minus y2 whole divided by 2. Then similarly one more coordinate, it is y1 plus y2, it is minus or plus, it is x1 minus x2 it is, and whole divided by 2. Okay, if you substitute x1 x2 y1 y2 in a formula, we get the solution as 10 plus or minus 16 divided by 2, and 2 minus or plus 4 divided by 2 it is. Yes, so taking a plus sign and a minus sign in a first attempt, we get 13 comma minus 4. One more, we get it as a minus 3 comma plus 3. Therefore option C, 13 comma minus 1 and a minus 3 comma 3 is a right answer. Okay, so next example, the one of the possible third vertex of the equilateral triangle whose two vertices are 3 comma 4 and minus 2 comma 3 it is. Third vertex we have to calculate. So first we'll write x1 y1 value, it is a 3 comma 4. Next x2 y2, it is minus 2 comma 3 it is. For the third vertex we have to calculate, it is given by the formula, it is x1 plus x2 plus or minus under the square root of root 3 y1 minus y2 whole divided by 2. One more, it is y1 plus y2 minus or plus, it is a root 3 x1 minus x2 divided by 2 it is. So if we simplify this, so we get 1 plus or minus root 3 into 1 divided by 2, and 7 minus or plus 5 root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so we'll get 1 plus root 3 divided by 2, 7 minus 5 root 3 divided by 2, like that we get a solutions. So option B is a right solution here. Okay, so here it is a minus and here it is a plus it is. Here it is minus, here it is a plus. So B is a right answer. Okay. Next example. The points 4, -1, 7, 9 and 4, 11 are the midpoints of a sides of a triangle. Then the centroids is, okay, centroid we have to calculate. So we'll write D coordinate 4, -1. Next E we write 7, 9 and F it is 4, 11 and centroid is given by the formula. So it is x coordinate we have to add divided by 3, 4 plus 7 plus 4 divided by 3. Next -1 plus 9 plus 11 divided by 3. Okay, so further on simplifying, it is a 5, 19 by 2 we get it, 19 by 2. Therefore option D 5, 19 by 2 is a right answer. Example number 24. The vertices of a triangle are 0, 0, 0, 2 and 2, 0. The distance between the circumcentre and orthocenter is, okay. See, we'll take this point using a coordinate system. 0, 0, this is origin. 0, 2, that is point on, it is a y-axis, it is 0, 2 and 2, 0 point on x-axis. If we combine these, we will get a right angle triangle. So clearly we observe that yes, right angle at a origin, therefore orthocenter it is 0, 0 and midpoint. See, here it is a points are, it is a 2, 0, this is 0, 2 and here it is 0, 0 it is, okay, and midpoint of a AB, okay, this is O A B, midpoint of a AB, it is AB midpoint is given by x1 plus x2, 0 plus 2 divided by 2, 2 by 2 we get it, and here also 0 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 2 by 2, so we get a 1, 1. Yes, and it is distance between this O and this midpoint, okay, we have to calculate. Yes, it is O is 0, 0, O it is a 0, 0 and midpoint of AB is 1, 1. Distance between them is 0 plus 1 whole square 1 and 0 minus 1 whole square is 1, so it is root 2. Therefore right option is, it is a B, root 2 is a correct option here. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Two positive vertices of a square are 1, -2, 5, 6. Then the other two vertices are, we have to calculate. That is, this is given by like one diagram here like this. So this is a square, this is a B, C, and AC is a diagonal. So coordinates are 1, -2, B we don't know, C is -5, 6. So third coordinate we can find using the formula x1 plus x2 plus or minus y1 minus y2 divided by 2. Then here it is plus, we have to take y1 plus y2, it is minus or plus x1 minus x2 it is, and whole divided by 2 it is. Okay, further x1 x2 is 1 comma minus 2, x2 y2 minus 5 comma 6. If you substitute, we get 1 minus 5 plus or minus minus 2 minus 6 whole divided by 2 it is. One more, minus 2 plus 6 minus or plus 1 plus 5, so whole divided by 2. On simplifying, we get minus 6 comma minus 1 as a one coordinate, another coordinate is 2 comma 5. Therefore option A, 2 comma 5 minus 6 minus 1 is a right option. So option A is a right answer. So in this class we have studied coordinate geometry. In the next class we'll come up with one more new topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone once again.